Welcome to my channel.
Google makes it easier to customize its search widget on Android. Google's search widget received its customization feature back in 2018 when the latest Pixel device was the Pixel 2 XL and the latest version of Android was Pie 9.0. Users could always customize the Google search widget to their liking, but a new update is making it easier to customize it without digging into the Google Apps settings. Those on the non-beta version of Google Search app, version 13.40 or higher, will now be able to customize the widget directly from the home screen. We at Gadgets 360 have received the update on our Pixel 7 Pro review unit, which recently got upgraded to version 13.40.7.29 and is not a part of the beta. At the same time, our Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra review unit is stuck on version 13.38.11.26 after the recent Play Store update, and hence does not reflect this capability. Those who are using the beta version of Google App installed via the Play Store will be able to make changes on the home screen itself as it has been updated to version 13. The 29th of July 40. With the new update, users will now be able to long press on the Google Search widget and enter the customization mode directly. This reduces the need to open the Google app in the app drawer, tap on Profile Image, then tap Settings, Search Widget, Customize Widget and then access the customization settings. The new update basically gets you there with a long press on the widget, which now shows the widget settings button, represented by a pencil. Tapping on it gets you into the Customize menu where users can tweak the Google or G logo, the shape of the widget, bar color, adjust hue and saturation levels, and bar shading, see-through or solid, dot, while the new button makes it a lot easier to access the customization menu for the Google Search widget. It's mainly aimed at smartphones from other manufacturers apart from a Pixel. This is because Google's Pixel smartphones already have a non-removable capsule-shaped, non-customizable search widget at the bottom of the home screen. Google's new theming engine automatically changes the color of this search widget as per the color palette selected by the user for the system theme. So there's really no need to customize it any further, at least in terms of color.